Welcome to the Lightspeed Restaurant Getting Started video guide for K-Series. I'm Vinny, and in this video, we're going to set up the Restaurant POS app on your iPad. We'll show you how to install our app, connect it to your account, and connect your receipt printer and payment terminal. When we're finished, you'll have a powerful point of sale loaded with the menu and settings from your back office. Your staff will be able to clock in and out, manage orders, and process payments. Even though we show the setup on an iPad, these steps also work on iPhones used as mobile POS devices. To begin, let's install the Lightspeed Restaurant POS app. Open the App Store on your iPad, then search for Lightspeed Restaurant POS. On the results page, there will be a few different Lightspeed Restaurant apps. Be careful to select the K-Series version. Then tap Get, and follow the prompts on your device to authorize the download. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch it. To connect the Restaurant POS app to your Lightspeed Restaurant account, you'll need to create a connection code in the back office. Connection codes are secure credentials used to log into the app for the first time on a new device. In your browser, go to your back office and navigate to POS Connection Codes. Then, click New Connection Code. Enter a name for the code, and leave the device role set to POS. For POS configuration, select the configuration that contains your desired settings for devices activated with this connection code. For example, you may have different configurations for fixed and mobile POS devices. If you need a refresher on POS configurations, check out our video covering that topic. Enter the number of months or days you'd like the code to remain valid. The connection code can be used multiple times over this period unless you select the one-time use option. To make a new connection code, click Create Code. Once created, click the connection code's name to view it as a scannable QR code and an alphanumeric key for manual entry. Keep this page open since we'll need it in a moment when we switch back to the Restaurant POS app. Back on your POS device, in the Restaurant POS app, tap Connect. Then, either manually enter the alphanumeric connection code or tap Scan to use your device's camera to scan the QR code. Tap OK or Allow on each prompt to enable the required permissions. These permissions are required for printers, payment terminals, and other POS devices to communicate with each other. Once you're connected, return to the back office to configure the settings of your new POS device. To finish the setup, we'll assign it a printer, a payment terminal, and a role. In the back office, using the navigation menu, go to POS Devices. Click the name of the POS device you just activated. Here you can change several settings for your POS device, but we'll focus on the key ones. In the Basic Information section, select the payment terminal you want to use with this POS device. Then scroll down to the Printing Configuration section, select the printing profile you wish to use for receipts. Finally, in the Account Sharing section, you will determine the device's role. The first device you set up will be your active device, but you should set any additional POS devices to passive. Your active POS device acts as the hub for your Lightspeed Restaurant system, and the active POS transmits all of the data from your passive POS devices to the back office. To ensure stability, we recommend hardwiring the active POS to your network with an Ethernet cable and keeping the power cable plugged in at all times. To apply your changes, click Save. With everything now set up the way we wanted, we'll need to reload the device to update its settings. Back on the Devices page, select the POS device, then click Reload Devices. Once you click Reload, the back office pushes the new configuration to your POS device, and the restaurant app restarts with the new configuration active. And that's how to set up the Lightspeed Restaurant app on your POS device. If you haven't already, make sure to watch our Configuring Your iPad video to optimize your iPad settings before taking orders. For more information, you can continue with our Getting Started video series or visit the articles in our Help Center.